Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm back with a brand new video, guys, and in this video, guys, I will be doing the review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pros. So these are like fantastic, amazing, bomb fire buds. I just cannot tell you how good they are. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. So here it begins. So guys, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pros are so nice and premium. They have this nice build quality and the case is so nice and matte. They fit in my ears very easily. I just put them and just give it a nice twist. And you could change the ear tips to make it your size. I changed my ear tips because they were a little big. So that's amazing that Samsung includes ear tips. And I really like the ear tip sizes, and the ear tips are very nice. Some people say that they don't fit good, but I don't think that's true because it fits amazingly fine, and I really love it. It just sometimes it becomes loose, a little loose, but not that loose. You could just tighten it up with your hands and it'll be just fine. So I really love these. They have the ear tips which give it like better sound. The Buds Live, which I did not have that, and when I shake my head, they do not fall out. They have this beautiful matte finish and I really love it. The Samsung logo is in the middle. They're sounded by AKG. I really love them. They have this beautiful matte finish. They have wireless charging, and they have two LED lights. They have one on the front and one inside, which I'll show you guys right now. Right there, that's the LED lights. That's gonna dedicate you the battery percent of the buds. And I really love these buds. I chose the black color because it was so nice and I really loved it. And the magnets on the case of the buds are very strong and very strong. On my Buds Live they weren't that strong. Now they made it stronger. The magnets are more stronger, more sturdier. So that's much better because when I flipped my buds, the buds sometimes open, the case sometimes open by itself. But that's not the problem with the Buds Pros. So I really love that. So the Buds Pros have two magnets and it's very easy to close and open. And it's very nice and the finishes are very nice. The case looks just like the Buds Live. Here's a small comparison with them. It's the same case. And inside it looks different. Like some people are saying that the Buds Live could fit in the Buds Pros and the Buds Pro could fit in the Buds Live's case, but that's not true. And the Buds Live do not come out whatsoever because they're very sturdy, and the same happens with the Buds Pro. I shake my head over and over again and they don't come out. I really love the ear tip design. Shaking my head and they do not come out for sure. So now guys, let's talk about the specs. So the Buds Pros have a two-way speaker, 11mm woofer and a 6.5mm tweeter, and they have 3 mics plus voice pickup unit plus windshields. And then they have a 61 milliamp battery and the charging case is 472 milliamps. And they have 1 hour of playtime with 5 minutes of quick charge, and you are not falling out of the case, they have new sturdy magnets and I really like that. And they have like very strong magnets, and they have Bluetooth 5.0, and the playtime on active noise cancellation is 18 hours, and the earbuds are 5 hours plus case with 13 hours. And if you don't have it active noise cancellation on, total is 28 hours, and earbuds are 8 hours plus case 20 hours. And they're made out of polycarbonate and they feel very nice. And they have voice pickup, which is when you're watching something and somebody talks to you, you could talk to them. So the buds will stop the music the buds will stop when you're listening, and then you could talk and they'll turn it back on by themselves. And the buds have type C, not like Apple, which has lightning cable for ages. Like, I don't know why, weird. But Buds Pros, Buds Live, and the regular buds have the type C. So this is a comparison with the regular buds, guys, and you could see they're so different now. The regular buds were like a rectangular shape, and now the Buds Pros are like a squarish design. And I really like the Buds Pros design. But yeah, guys, this is the comparison with that. And they have matte finishes. I really like the one on the Buds Pros. And yeah, guys, so that's that. The magnets on the Buds Pros are very sturdy, because the magnets on the Buds Live, which I have right here, they fall out sometimes when you shake them when they're open. And when you did the same with the Buds Pros, it did not fall out whatsoever. So I really love that feature. And guys, that's that. The cases are the same, but the dimensions are much different. And the Buds Pros have this ear tip kind of design. So that's that. So the Buds Pros are very good headphones. I will recommend them for sure. For sure you have to try them out, guys. They're very good headphones. I have took some pictures when I got them, and I really love them. They're like my dream headphones. And this is a comparison with the Buds Live. So they're literally almost the same size, and they're just more like a earbud kind of design, not like the beanish kind of design which the Buds Live had. But yeah, guys, so that's that. The Buds Pros have many things on them. I really love them. They're very nice and beautiful. And this is a comparison with the regular buds. As you can see, the Buds Pros don't have a wing tip, which the regular buds did have. So some people say that it's not comfortable, but I never noticed something. They still feel the same. So yeah, guys, this is the video. These are the Buds Pros. These are the Buds Live. And these are the first generation. So thank you for watching the video, guys. See you guys in the next video. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.